You want to learn English so you can get a better job, travel, get into a great school, or meet people. So what do? You can buy expensive CDs, computer programs, or books, but these are boring, and you can't have an English conversation with them. You can go to a school, but you have to drive there through a lot of traffic, your teacher probably won't be a native English speaker, and there's a lot of other people sharing the class, and it's still expensive. Or, you can take classes with LOI English. We teach English over the internet using Skype, a free video conferencing software. With LOI English, you can take one-on-one classes with live teachers who are from the United States and other English-speaking countries. You can take the classes at home, in your office, or wherever you can find an internet connection. The classes are individual, so we can help you prepare for a job interview, a conference, a meeting, for an exam, or help improve your English grammar and conversation. We make learning English fun and interesting, with real conversations about your life, our lives, world news, art, history, and much more. So now you'll be able to go to the school you want, get the job you want, travel, and meet new people. Try a first class for free. It's 30 minutes and all you need is a computer, internet connection, and a microphone. Visit skypeenglishclasses.com and start learning today.